It's a fat boy lifestyle. Count money, eat good, live it up. Y'all know the vibes. Keep it played at all times. We got some Popeyes. What's y'all favorite size at Popeyes? Mine is the red beans and rice and the macaroni and cheese. I make my own greens though. Happy holidays to y'all though, man. It's Crystal right here though. Bam. I don't know who was in the kitchen at Popeyes today, but this shit seasons to the T. Extra crunchy, juicy, not too oily. 10 out of 10, y'all did y'all shit. They macaroni be going so crazy. See, they know. I like mine when the rice is at the top like that, not when they already have it stirred. I like to mix it myself. I made my own greens, y'all. These motherfuckers hit. Put that Smuckers on there. Y'all know these buttery ass biscuits be bomb as a motherfucker. Ooh, that little bird was thick. Ooh, girl, you gonna start a rainstorm with all them thunder thighs. Little thick ass little. Popeyes got the best macaroni and cheese out of all like the fast food spots. Ooh, that's a pretty little titty right there. That bird has some double D's, y'all. I know them little roosters used to be sucking the hell out these nipples. Ooh, girl. I know you was a freak. She must have been pregnant. I know I taste some chicken titty milk up in there. Whoever came up with these beans, you know that's from Louisiana. These motherfuckers got that Southern delight. Y'all don't know about that shack fool. Merry Christmas to all the players and ho-ho-hos around the motherfucking globe. It's Big Papa, baby. Y'all know the truth.